Welcome to schoolexcel.tech. To create employee, effectively log on to your school account first. Go to the Employee menu, select the Department option, create the department, select the Designation option, create the employee's designation, click Add Employee, fill out all the employee information and save. After that, go to the employee list and choose an employee role to view all of the employees that have been created. To access employee information, click on Details. Thank you. If you have any questions or concerns regarding School ERP, please call 937-03102, 36 or 869892 22922, or drop a message in the group.